Good morning. Hi, my name is Clarice Mota. I'm a PhD in anthropology. I'm a native of Brazil, and it has been my mission for the last 40 years to bring the stories, the knowledge, and the wisdom of native peoples of my country to your awareness. Right now, I'm working with the Pataxó Indians of the state of Bahia in Brazil because they are an amazing example of strength, resilience, and endurance in the face of many obstacles. As most Brazilian indigenous peoples, they had been expelled from their ancestral lands and left to just fend for themselves among a hostile environment. And they were losing their culture, they were losing their hopes. So they decided to go back into the forest, the Atlantic forest, and rebuild their village, their life, their language, their ethnic identity. And this is an amazing story because not only they're saving themselves and their future generations, but they're also saving Mother Earth. They are reforesting the Atlantic forest. And you know that in Brazil, as all over the world, the pockets of places around the world where the forests are being maintained and saved are the ones where there is a native village there because they are the guardians of the earth. This story needs to be told, and I'm trying to do a documentary to tell this wonderful story. And I need your help because making a film demands a lot of energy and resources. So please contribute, donate whatever you can so that this dream can become a reality. Thank you so very much for your help.